Are you interested in trading volume profile? Well, let me show you a couple of options here using NinjaTrader. The first option, so what I'll do first is just open up a blank chart. We'll go into the indicators section here, and I'll just show you the NinjaTrader native volume profile. Now for this one, you have to be a lifetime license holder for this one, or you can subscribe to it via their website. Just log into your account and you can subscribe to it. I think it's like $50 or $60 a month, and you get all these order flow tools to go along with your account. So just throw in the order flow volume profile, and you can change all the different settings you want. You can customize this to what you like, colors you like, the color scheme for the POC, for the profile, for the for all the different value areas, the range, the initial POC, all the stuff that you want to put on here, you can add it. For me personally, I just like it right out of the box. For the most part, I don't do anything to it. And I hit OK. And then you see you've got your volume profile right here, everything you need. You've got your value area low, you got your value area high, you got your value area, you got your POC, you've got your summary here that shows you how many contracts went off, and then you've got your range here, which is 65 3/4 points on the day. Here was 25 3/4 points on the day with 1.26 million contracts that went off. Okay, that is the NinjaTrader native profile. And this shows you the high point nodes here, the POC. There was one building down here. You had the spike up here that created some value up here, and then we settled back down through the day within the value area range here. You can see this bullish continuation move up because you've got your value area low here, your value area high here, and the whole value area shifted up along with the POC, shifted up to the next rung, and you can see that value is starting to build up here now as well. Okay, so now let's head over to the next option here. I've already put it on the chart, but this is an option from NinjaTrader. This is called the static volume profile. And you go to your indicators. It's part of my institutional edge system that I run through NinjaTrader, but you can buy it as an individual too if you like this one. It's called the static volume profile, and this is what it looks like. And I've made a couple of customizations to it. I put a red border around it, and that's essentially it. And then I changed the POC to this purple color here. But this is how I run it from day to day, so you can get a good snapshot. High of the day, low of the day, value area high, value area low. You got your POC, and you can watch as the bull market runs up, and you can see where value is assessed, and you can see where value pulls back to. The tops of this node here is where we pulled back to on Monday here, the tops of Friday. I did not break down below there at all, but that's as low as we went to. So that is the NinjaTrader's volume profile tool, I should say. And it's a very clean looking volume profile. If you like to trade that, you can watch this develop live. You can throw it on your chart. I happen to have this on a 30-minute chart. That's what I like to watch it on throughout the course of the day. And it's a very beneficial tool for me. So then there's also another tool that I like to use, and it's from the same package from NinjaTrader. It is called the dynamic volume profile. I've already added it to this chart. And I'll show you what this is. This is a tool for if you want to measure a specific area. Like for instance, here's the open on the day of the 8:30 bar. Let's say I want to measure the opening range, right? So I'll go ahead and add a new volume profile box. And on here, this is only, what am I on? I'm on a 10-minute chart here. So we'll go up to 9:30. So we'll measure the first hour of the day. And then you get a nice... and then you get a nice volume profile here for that first opening range. You get your value area low, your value area high, and then you got the POC of the day. You can see right off of this opening range here, there was a nice trade off the rejection of the value area low here to the downside. Very nice tool to have. These are the three ways that I measure and look at value areas, and I look at volume profiles. It's a very valuable tool to watch and keep track of. So those are three options for you. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Happy trading.